Hi everyone, welcome back to Country Life Nice. I hope you are all doing well and having a wonderful day. Well, today I am going to cook some Jamaican curry chicken with fresh gardening herbs. The first thing I would like to do is to prepare the chicken. I remove any extra skin and fats because that is how I prefer it. And I know many other people love to take off the skin and fat, while some people love to cook curry chicken with the skin. So the first thing I do is wash the chicken thoroughly using vinegar, fresh lime, and some hot water. This is part of my personal cooking routine to help clean the chicken before seasoning. I love using fresh herbs, thyme, onion, sweet pepper, a little ginger, and other herbs to bring out the rich homemade flavors. Now that my chicken is ready and clean, it's time to head out to my garden to pick some fresh green onion. There is nothing like cooking with your natural herb that grows from your backyard. It feels so amazing picking your own fruit from your back garden. Now I wash them well, chop them up into small pieces, and get them ready for the seasoning. I season the chicken with my fresh green onions and my favorite natural ingredients. After chopping up all my seasoning, I mix everything together so every pieces of chicken is coated with the herbs and seasoning. At this point, the chicken already smells amazing. If you have watched this video this far, I would love for you to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Cooking with fresh ingredients from my own back garden make every meal feel extra special. It reminds me that a little time spent growing herbs can make a big difference in the flavor of our food. I like to let the chicken marinate for a while so all those wonderful flavor can soak in. And remember to press that notification bell for more updates and other video when I upload. I also sprinkle a little curry powder to give the chicken that beautiful golden color and authentic curry taste. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoy cooking with me, please like this video, leave a comment, and share it with your family and friends. And subscribe to Country Life Nice if you haven't yet subscribed. Stay blessed, keep cooking with love, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.